Hello, let's talk a little bit about the final project proposal. So I encourage you to actually listen to my short little YouTube video on the final project. That gives more context to what the actual final project will be about. The proposal I'll talk about here, basically you're taking 2 of the chapters out of the 5 chapters that we covered. So you could pick Byzantine art and Islamic art. You could pick Byzantine art and Art of Americas. And you're basically doing a compare and contrast. So for your proposal, I just want you to explain the plan and the direction of your project, which would include what are the 2 cultures that you're going to be talking about. You might want to specifically talk about the time frame of those cultures, since a lot of the cultures we talk about could span over 1,000 years. You're going to include the art objects, artifact, or architecture that you're planning on to discuss. So you would include an image of both from one period, the image that you're going to discuss, like I said, from maybe Byzantine art, and then the image of the artifact or the architecture from the other period. Let's say it's Islamic art. And kind of start to maybe even think about how you're going to analyze and discuss these 2 objects, right? You'll include the physical properties. So those are the facts about the art, the name of the artwork, when it was made, any type of information that you can get about what it's made out of, those kind of facts that we've talked about. I'd like for you to think about how you're going to unfold your final essay project. So I would like for you to, for the introduction, give me 2 to 3 bullet points of your main ideas of what the introduction is going to involve. The thesis of the paper, give me 3 to 4 bullet points of the main concepts that you're planning on exploring in your paper. The conclusion, again, 2 or 3 bullet points of how you plan to summarize your ideas in your conclusion from your essay project. And then at least 3 references that you're using for this project, and those can be links to websites, those can be titles of books with the author and the published date, but just kind of show me what research you've done and where you're gathering your information from. And then I'd like for you to submit your proposal as either a PDF or a Word document. Those are the ones that work best on my computer. So then I can open them and review whatever you've written. Please keep me posted with questions, and I hope this is helpful. Thanks.